welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications. Today I'm gonna be making rose water with freshly old roses from Valentine's Day. Basically, you just take the rose petals and boil them, but I add some things. I'm gonna add some oils and whatever. I just wanna show you guys how cute these look too. These are so pretty. Roses are so pretty. People are always like, roses are so generic. Don't give me roses for Valentine's Day. Bitch, I didn't get no flowers for Valentine's Day. I would've been happy with roses. These are my mom's roses. I didn't get no roses. So I'm gonna take them all and boil them. So the first thing we're gonna do is take all these rose petals off of these rose heads, and we're gonna throw them in a strainer, and we're gonna just rinse them off just to get like any bugs or pollen or poop off of them. So we're gonna do that right now. 1, 2, 3. No, I'm just playing. I'm pretty sure this is like 4 roses right here. How pretty that is. I'm gonna just transfer them into this steel pot. So rose water helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It can tone your skin. You can use it as a makeup refresher, which is nice. And it actually helps to balance the pH of your skin. You should use skincare products that are about slightly more acidic than regular water. Like it should be about like 5.5, 5.8 is like the best for your skin. I'm pretty sure it's because it like hydrates it more or whatever. Don't quote me on that. I have the roses in here, and I'm gonna put distilled water just covering the roses, and however much water you want to fill in your container, that's the exact amount of water that you should put in here. I'm gonna fill this up and show you, but look how cute this is. Alright, so I'm gonna just turn this on, wait for it to boil, and then once it starts to boil, I'm just gonna leave it on simmer for like 30 minutes, and then we'll check back in. So now that this is boiling, I'm gonna put a few drops of vitamin E oil in it because I'm gonna be using it on my skin and hair, and then I'm gonna turn onto simmer and cover it and let that sit for like 30 minutes. So the rose petals have pretty much lost all their color. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna strain them out, squeeze all the juices that I can get out of the rest of these petals, and then put it in a little container. I'm gonna try to film like what it looks like. Let's just toss these excess petals. And you want to let that cool before you transfer it into any container or spray bottle. I'm gonna do these dishes, and I'm gonna put this in the fridge or freezer. Oh, that smells so good. So we can cool off, and then I'm gonna transfer it. I'll be right back. I've got a little bit of makeup on, just a little bit. You can keep one in the fridge in the summertime and spritz them on you when you get hot. It's not too floral, but it's also not too watery. Like,
okay.
Check out my description box. I'm gonna be leaving links on all the benefits of rose water, how it's good for your skin, how it's good for your hair, how it's good for wrinkles, fine lines, pH balance, how incorporating rose water into your daily routine can make you live forever and stuff like that. So check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
No, there's a reason you got a bear.
Anyways, I'm right here.
Cassidy,
What?
how do you feel about this shirt?
Fine.
Even though it's red?